I literally promised myself that I would stop dilly-dallying, but anyways, come spend the day with me dilly-dallying, of course. And before we get off topic today like I normally do, thank you Alfred Eden for these sweatpants because they definitely are eating it up. I love them so much. I love the baggy look, of course, and they're so pink, like who wouldn't want them? But anyways, let's get back on track. Today we spent the day shopping. I literally don't know why I keep falling for Sam's. Like, you think you're going up in there to get a deal, you walk out with 4 things and you spend $1,000. Like, I'm really not joking. Like, who else is with me? And like, I don't know if it's just me, but whenever y'all go in the grocery store, do y'all have your other phone as a calculator to like calculate what you're spending? Because baby, the taxes be hitting. But anyways, when I tell y'all I went at Sam's for 2 minutes and left clean the fuck out and went to Walmart, and literally at that point, by the time I made it to Walmart, I was already overstimulated and overtired. I just needed to take a nap and go back home. So thank you guys for watching and make sure y'all have a blessed day.